Bureaucrats can make or break the country. They can be agile and innovative or slow and hindering. The government today requested UPSC, that is Union Public Service Commission, to withdraw its advertisements for lateral entry into bureaucracy in a stunning reversal following intense opposition, criticism and pressure from allies too. Indian government push कर रही थी for the lateral entries into bureaucracy. So bureaucracy is made up of career civil servants, that is IAS officers. But जो lateral entry होती है वो होती है outsiders के लिए, from the private sector or public sector companies or may even research institutes. The idea was to bring in lot of specialized experiences from these outsiders and domain knowledge for the effective governance in the government. The concept of lateral entry was first introduced under the 2004 and 2009 and was strongly endorsed by the second ARC established in 2005. It was later recommended by the Niti Aayog in 2017 to bring in expertise and fresh perspectives. So first time जब ये appointment हुई थी वो हुई थी 2018 में और तब से 63 appointments हो चुकी हैं. 2014 से पहले ये पोस्ट ad hoc basis पे होती थी. So why are we talking about it now? क्योंकि यूपीएससी ने फिर से लेटरल एंट्री की एडवर्टीजमेंट पब्लिश किया है नाउ फॉर 45 रोल्स, दैट इज जॉइंट सेक्रेटरी, डायरेक्टर एंड डेप्यूटी सेक्रेटरीज इन 24 मिनिस्ट्रीज. जॉइंट सेक्रेटरी इज द थर्ड हाईएस्ट रैंक इन अ डिपार्टमेंट और ये कोई पेपर पुशर नहीं है, ये एक डिसीजन मेकिंग पोस्ट है. The hope is that these lateral entries would bring in lot of fresh ideas. But it's not a done deal yet because opposition is against this policy. They have called it an attack on OBC, Dalits and Adivasis. Again, explanation are in order because UPSC recruitment are subject to reservation. Seats are reserved for the certain groups but not in the lateral appointments. Lateral appointments में कोई भी कोटा नहीं है. The appointment is purely based on merit. Why is that? This is because ये कोई mass appointment नहीं था. ये सिर्फ 45 roles के लिए ही किया गया था and each role has been advertised separately. Hence, quotas do not apply here. So, what are the arguments in favor of lateral entry scheme in civil services? We will get हमें एक स्पेशलाइज्ड स्किल एंड एक्सपर्टीज मिलेगा. लेटरल एंट्री अलाउ करता है गवर्नमेंट को टू रिक्रूट स्पेशलिस्ट विद एक्सपर्टीज in areas like technology, management and finance, addressing gaps in knowledge जो एक career bureaucrats होते हैं may not have that expertise. Second point is that innovation and reforms आएगा. देखिए lateral recruits can bring valuable experiences from the private sector, NGOs or other organizations, helping to reform and enhance administrative process and governance. According to DOPT, there is a shortage of about 1500 IAS officers. So lateral entry can help bridge this deficit also. ये एक change लाएगा work culture में in the government sector, which is criticized for the red tapeism, rule book bureaucracy and status quoist nature. So what are the criticism of lateral entry schemes in civil services? Central government ने जो tenure set किया है for the joint secretaries वो है 3 साल का, जो कि insufficient है for newcomers to fully acclimate to the complex governance systems and make meaningful contributions. Bringing in individuals from diverse background can challenge objectivity and neutrality due to the potential conflicts of interest, impartiality concerns. So एक impact पड़ेगा on permanent officers also. The increasing number of lateral entrants could create a divide between them and permanent officers. और ये harm करेगा morale of the bureaucracy को. And lateral entry might dilute the merit-based recruitment system that underpins the civil services. If not conducted transparently, it could lead to perceptions of favoritism or nepotism in the selection process. जो traditional bureaucrats हैं may resist lateral entrants due to concern about hierarchy and disruptions, often treating them as outsiders and displaying hostility towards their inclusion, as career bureaucrats work for decades to reach that position. But a lateral entry may just directly reach there. There could be resentment and friction. So in the permanent system, IS officers are promoted to the joint secretary level after 17 years of services, typically around the age of 45, and remain at that level for 10 years. So if similar experience recruitments are applied to lateral entrants, it may deter the best candidates from joining, as they often reach the peak of their professions in the private sector at that age. So it could be a cultural shock, because जो government secretaries होते हैं, they work in a certain way which is very different from the companies. So professionals may not be able to adjust. बहुत सारे countries में ना already lateral appointments होते हैं, जैसे कि अमेरिका, जर्मनी, फ्रांस, साउथ कोरिया. वहाँ पे गवर्नमेंट अपॉइंट करती है सीनियर ब्यूरोक्रेट्स को एंड एजेंसी हेड को भी. बट देयर इज अ कैच हियर. बट जब गवर्नमेंट चली जाती है वहाँ पे, तो ब्यूरोक्रेट्स भी चले जाते हैं. So India needs to find a balance. There must be transparency, strong checks, and maybe a wider discussions. This idea needs a refinement. Thank you.